Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Could you tell me real quick, before demo, all the info in here?
I got 4 Sundown U15s with nightshade coils and soft parts. And a flat wall tuned to between 34 and 36 on 2 Terrence 8Ks at half ohm. And then I got 90 amp hours of C-Max, 370 CS alt.
Okay.
And then that's pretty much it. Box is 12 cubes.
Okay. Nice. Have you metered it yet?
I metered it on Sunday. I did a 152 sealed, but then I hit you up on Instagram. I don't know if you remember, and I messed with some, and now it's way louder than that. So
okay. I might have helped it then. I'm glad I helped.
Yeah,
okay.
You did. No, I got the roundovers. I put some of your tape.
Oh, that's right. You did message me. I remember now. Yeah, if you can round this over, there you go.
Yeah, I did.
Yep.
It's a lot louder than it was.
Okay.
Sure.
Awesome.
The other day I was clamping a little over 15K. So.
Yes, sir. Okay. What is the lowest it likes? You'd say about 32, 31?
It'll play down to 28.
28.
But I think it's more the subs than anything else.
Yeah. They're getting stinky. Yeah.
Well, yeah, like I said, I'm clamping a little over 15K, so they get hot fast.
Yes, sir.
They aren't clipping, but they do get hot. Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
So it is what it is. I'm going to upgrade to the ZD6s when I get home.
Okay.
So then I should be able to throw more power.
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
They should play longer without getting hot.
Yep. Awesome. Can I see the amp?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for the demo.
I'm wiring nasty. I got 2 more at home.
All right.
So I didn't wire them the nicest, but
At least you get to see what kind of power you got.
yeah.
Nice. And these are, what are they wired to each?
They're half ohm. They're the 1-ohmers that wired at half. I rise to 0.9.
0.9. Wow. Okay. All right.
They don't have some battery.
I'll go look at that too. I like to see everything.
I might not be able to open that door actually.
If you can't, don't worry about it. And you built this wall?
Yeah, I did.
Nice work. Oh, don't worry about it, dude. Don't worry about it. I see it.
Yeah. There's a 90 amp hour C-Max in there.
Yep. Okay. And I'll see under the hood.
I'll give you a high note, and then I'll give you a little bit better of a demo.
Sure. All right.
Because I built it for high notes.
All right. I like high notes. Nothing over 60 though.
I like tapping people out. I'll play 43.
Okay.
If I can find the song I'm looking for.
Sure. What was your name?
Micah.
Micah. All right.
Gotta find the song. I lost it.
Okay. That's pretty high.
Yeah. 43 hertz.
Yep, that's where you peak at?
I peak at 46.
Okay.
Yeah, it's definitely way louder than it was last time.
Oh yeah. Where do you think you're metering now?
Probably a high 50 seal.
Yeah.
That's what I'm hoping for.
Yeah.
A 58, 59.
Yes, sir.
Can you pull the switches out? You have to plug the window back in because there's a plug down in there.
Yeah, sure. All right, pops out.
My window will fall down if I don't unplug it.
dude. Yeah. It's musical too, still. What is the lowest it likes? You'd say about 32, 31?
It'll play down to 28.
28.
But I think it's more the subs than anything else.
Yeah. They're getting sneaky, yeah.
Well, yeah, like I said, I'm clamping a little over 15K, so
Yep.
they get hot fast.
Yes, sir.
They aren't clipping, but
Yes, sir.
they do get hot. Yeah,
Yep.
I know, right?
Yep.
So, it is what it is. I'm going to upgrade to the ZV6s when I get home.
Okay.
So then I should be able to throw more
Oh,
power.
yeah. Yes, sir.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.